What a funny Spongebob! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Spongebob coloring page. Ta-da! I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with marker, with pink paper and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I'll get started right now. Okay, let's start on SpongeBob's face first. He has blue eyes. His tongue is pink. And the inside of his mouth is dark red. Let's color in his body yellow with darker yellow holes. SpongeBob wears a white shirt with a red necktie. Let's make his shorts brown. And his socks are white with blue and red stripes on each one. So I'm finished coloring in SpongeBob. Next let's color in the logo up here. Yellow, light and dark blue. Okay, so lastly, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so cool. SpongeBob just looks so happy, and he is one adorable sponge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye.